Are you dreaming of speaking Spanish fluently, but wondering how long it will take? The answer might surprise you. Your goals, schedule, and current knowledge all play a crucial role in your language learning journey. The U.S. Foreign Service Institute estimates it takes 600 to 750 class hours to reach professional proficiency in Spanish. If you study for 1 hour a day, you might be fluent in a year and a half. Double that time, and you could be fluent in just 6 months. But remember, learning a language isn't confined to the classroom. Practice and immersion are key. Spanish is considered one of the easier languages for English speakers due to shared vocabulary and grammar. Your target proficiency level will impact how long you spend learning. Are you aiming for basic, conversational, or full fluency? If you already speak a Romance language like French or Italian, you'll find Spanish easier to learn. However, native speakers of languages like Japanese might find Spanish more challenging due to fewer similarities. The time and effort you invest in learning Spanish will significantly affect your progress. Practicing outside of class, such as through independent study, can accelerate your learning. Choosing the right learning method is crucial. Traditional memorization methods are less effective than real usage methods. Online platforms like Lingoamo offer flexible schedules and native-level speakers to fit your routine. Everyone learns differently. Find what works best for you, whether it's music, visuals, or interactive apps. Access to native speakers can greatly enhance your learning experience, providing real-world vocabulary and pronunciation. Group lessons are more engaging, while private lessons can offer more personalized attention. Online classes eliminate commute time and offer flexible scheduling, making learning more convenient. Your motivation and discipline are essential. The more motivated you are, the faster you'll progress. Track your progress and celebrate milestones to stay motivated. Immerse yourself in Spanish culture through movies, music, and travel to keep your learning exciting. Share your journey with friends and family for support and accountability. Your fluency goal is within reach. How quickly are you hoping to learn Spanish? Drop your goal in the comments.